Hello guys, today is Wednesday and I had to go to the exhibition park for my second dose of vaccine. So I'm gonna be vlogging it today and I'm gonna show you. But before we go there, pupunta muna kami ng library because Mipo is gonna borrow some books. Every week she's borrowing books from the library, so yeah. Talk to you later guys, bye.
A few moments later.
So again, she's going there somewhere in the library. So I'm just again gonna be sharing our ordinary day here in St. John in Canada. Hopefully you would learn something. After nga pala nito, pupunta na ako ng vaccination center. Medyo takot ako sa injection. Medyo lang. So I had to bring Mipo with me. After nga pala niyan, magpo-photoshoot kami sa anak ni Ate Rem. Yun din yung ano ko dito, isang libangan ko dito. Mahilig kasi ako sa photography. Mag-shoot ako ng kahit anong event. It's my way of giving back to the community here. Kasi ang bait nila sa akin. Ang daming tumulong sa akin nung nagsisimula ako dito. So it's my time to give back. And one of the ways na nakita ko na maibibigay ko sa community is itong photography ko. Especially when like you give them the pictures na natapos mo nang i-edit. Sobrang genuine ang saya nila at yun lang para sa akin sapat na hindi mababayaran yan. I've shoot prenup, birthdays, and other events. I'm just gonna continue doing this. At the same time, learning something as well. Every time na nag-shoot kami, may natutunan ako. So, it's a win-win for us. And magbabayad muna ako sa parking. Dito lang yung parking, medyo malapit lang. Yan. So, magbabayad muna ako. And dito lang ako sa kotse, maghihintay kay Mipo. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we're here now. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to take a video. Mission Center. Okay. So I'm gonna register first and then...
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, katatapos lang namin ng tatapos ko lang ma-vaccine. I'm not sure if you can see this here. Medyo masakit yung pagkatusok ng nurse but compared to the first one. But hindi naman siya ganong masakit. Yung natakot kasi ako kasi maraming nagsasabi na masakit yung second dose. Pero hindi naman. So if you guys are afraid of like needles, then don't. I had to do the second dose kahit natakot ako kasi yung Canada Health kasi talagang tinatawagan nila yung mga nagpa-vaccine na para i-follow up kung kailan magsa-second dose. So I didn't have a choice. Kaya kailangan pa second dose talaga. And my first dose was actually July pa yun. So medyo matagal na. Kaya yan.
A few moments later.
Okay, hello guys, we're here.
Yung hangin eh.
Kunin ko lang.
Hi, baby. Hi. Si Renz. Bagong gising, oh. Mag-face mask ka today, baby. Yay! Pero wala kang pasok na siya?
Wala. Ito yung cake.
Masha, leave this here? Yeah.
Okay. Let's do this. Done. Thanks, baby.
You did so great.
And Kuya JC.
Just one by one. Malayo, St. George. Sabi nila.
Bye, Kuya. Come here. Sama ka na sa amin?
Masyado halata.
Okay.
Ret na lang natin. Ini-spoiled mo yan ah. Sabi ko, syempre, si Tito Renz.
Anytime. Okay, tapos na. So, yun. Okay, so hello guys, bahay na kami. Di ko na natapos yung vlog kasi ang dami pa namin pinuntahan after that. We did a grocery. The takeaway that I wanted you to have in this vlog is just pay it forward, guys. Like, if like people are helping you, find ways to help them back or to give back to other people who needs help as well. By the way, if you're sending money to the Philippines, my promo code RENZBU Sendwave App is still active. So you will get $20 in your first transaction. So take advantage of that, guys. It's basically free money. You can just send to whoever you want to send to in the Philippines, even like $3, and then use my promo code RENZBU to claim that cash. It's basically free money, so take advantage of it while it's there. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Also, if you are not yet vaccinated, please have yourself vaccinated, guys. It will not only protect you, but the people around you as well. So be responsible, have yourself vaccinated, and kita-kita ta sa sunod nga video. Amping kanunay. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end. We take